If you ever considered learning English as something hard, boring, or unachievable, I highly recommend you to watch this video. I want to share 3 simple tips on how to enjoy your process and stay motivated as well. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to enjoy learning English. Hi, I'm Melina, an English-speaking coach, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If it is the first time you're here and you want to know how to speak English easily, you want to improve your speaking skills, you want to improve your grammar skills, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything interesting. Tip number 1. Start with video games. Yes, video games. I think it's a great and effective way for people to learn English. Nowadays, video games are played by many people for several hours at a time. So why not start doing it? When you are playing the game, you are enjoying the process and learning English as well. What are the benefits of learning English with video games? A lot of video games are built around up-to-date conversations. You can listen to them and learn English in context very easily. With time, listening will help you to become a better English speaker. And it is very important when you learn a language. When you progress through different levels in a video game, you discover names of real things, real weapons, real characters, treasures. You respond to various commands. In birthday, you learn new phrases and new words very quickly. As you're playing a video game, you'll be hearing the same words over and over again, associating words with objects and learning without realizing that you are doing so. It is a great way to enrich your vocabulary. If you communicate with some other players, you can talk about what just happened or what is happening right now, using English as a helping tool. So you can improve your grammar and speaking skills in that way. Just ask yourself, can you spend 2 or 3 hours learning just English? I think no one is likely to do it. But it is not a problem to spend 3 hours playing a video game. So why not if English is a part of it? Learning English with video games is absolutely possible, believe me. In fact, it is an exciting and fun way to learn a language. Tip number 2. Learn English with songs. If you are fond of songs and you love to spend time listening to them every day, it's a cool way to improve your English as well. Music is a powerful tool. It speaks directly to our emotions. On the one hand, it can amuse and entertain, and on the other hand, it makes a satisfactory connection between leisure and English learning process. Start with some popular English songs and make sure you have lyrics as well. So when you listen to a song, you improve your listening skills, which is absolutely important when you learn a new language. What is more important, you can work on your pronunciation. When you learn a new language, there are lots of unusual sounds. And you feel awkward because your mouth isn't used to making them. So when you start practicing them, singing out loud in front of a mirror, your pronunciation will become more clear and more fluent. A great benefit of learning English with a song is that you can build your vocabulary very easily while enjoying the whole process. Most pop songs contain common shared words and phrases of a real-life language. So a song can be a great source to enjoy your learning process. You listen to music that helps you to learn a language in a relaxing, amusing way without losing your motivation. Step number 3. Learn English with movies and serials. Movies, TV shows, or serials are a great source of real-life English language. If you have time to watch at least one movie or an episode of your favorite show each day, you can improve your English very quickly in an entertaining and relaxing way. Ask yourself what are you interested in and start watching it on a regular basis. While watching a movie or an episode, pay attention to the pronunciation. You can pause, you can repeat it by yourself. You'll see how it is easy to improve your accent. Make sure you have a notebook to write down all necessary words and phrases. You can make sentences of your own using these very expressions. If you're learning English from the scratch, from the very beginning, you can use subtitles of your mother tongue for the first time, but I highly recommend you try without them. In this way, you'll learn how to think in English. I highly recommend you to find movies and films on Netflix, as this is one of the leading movie streaming sites. And more importantly, it's more convenient for you to learn English. Start with your favorite one and enjoy the whole process. I can assure you that when you watch your favorite piece of video in English, you improve your listening skills, you build up your grammar, no matter what your level is. By watching movies daily, you'll learn to speak English quickly, confidently, and what is more important, like a native, in an entertaining and fun way. That is all for today. Thanks for watching me. Let me know in the comments, do you enjoy learning English? And remember, the more fun you're having, the quicker you learn. See you next time.